Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be playing Obby, but you're a bird. I just kind of found this game on Roblox, so it's basically an Obby, but you're a bird. So, anyway, let's get into it. So, checkpoints is every 10 meters. Good luck. I believe in you. I don't believe in myself. I'm a duck. Or a bird. This looks like a duck. That's just me. Anyway, let's continue. So, as you guys can see, top middle is my height. Yeah. And below it is the checkpoint. So, I have no clue where we're going. I assume we're supposed to be getting higher. So, yeah. There's just a random green block. Anyway, we'll see how far we can get. We're going deeper. I don't know if this is a good thing. Sometimes you gotta go deep to get higher. Okay. Anyway, please don't click that. This is a dead end. So we went the wrong. I think I should kill myself. Don't kill yourself in real life. That's not good. I want to do that so I don't have to get all the way back here. So yeah, I use my 2 brain cells for that. That's all my brain can handle. Oh, I don't know how to get up. Is there like double jump? You gotta get up there, but like I don't think I can clip that. Bro just fell off. It's like so close, but like I can't clip it. I feel like you need to go this way. This is the only way that I can see that we're supposed to be going. Maybe up here? Yes. Making some progress. We're making some progress. Ooh, I messed up. Can I get up there? That's a big jump. Ooh. Over here. Nice. Oh, if I hold, I go higher. What does this do? It's just here. No! We're at 6 meters. Narrow, thank you. It's very dark for me. Gonna have to redo that. Really? Okay, so what I did was, I just kind of cut the video and got here. The power of editing. Yay! Oh, you can't see me. Yay! Okay, I failed that jump last time. And I didn't do this time. Ooh, I can barely see. We good. Just a reminder, I'm playing on mobile. So, this could be harder. Or easier, I don't know. I find mobile easier than PC. Just kinda got used to it. Yay, we got a checkpoint, woo! Our first checkpoint. I don't really have a goal for this video. Just kinda doing it, so maybe 5 checkpoints? It's 50 meters. We'll see. I have no clue where to go. This guy's doing some crazy parkour. Yeah. Just too good. Oh, good in you again. Really good with hands. I wonder if I can turn off like this duck jump sign. It's really annoying. Can I go in the pond? Ooh, in my natural habitat. I'm in my natural habitat. Nobody can find me. Nobody will find me. Okay. I don't know what that was. I'm guessing we're not supposed to go there. I knew that. All part of my plan. I think we're supposed to go back. Maybe? that seems not good. Yeah, we're supposed to go here and there. On the tree? Oh, over here? Yeah. I'm blind. I have glasses and I'm still blind. Now what do I do? Oh. Wow. I knew that. Obsessed with you guys. I don't know. Maybe I'll get 3 checkpoints, 2 checkpoints. We will see. Where's the checkpoint? I'm at 20. I need a checkpoint. I need a checkpoint. Where's the checkpoint? I'm panicking. I'm panicking. I'm panicking. Why did I say that? Never mind. I don't need a checkpoint. Actually, I'm just better. Oh, there's a checkpoint. I need the checkpoint. I'm not taking that jump. I'm doing the jump. Ooh, okay. That was a big jump. Made it. Oh, I really wanted like my intrusive thoughts. Intrusive. God, I can't speak. Intrusive thoughts are kicking me. I just want to jump. Just down. Just float. Well, I did what I asked, but like, let's climb up. Can I climb up? Thank you. Thank you, bird. I don't know how. Ooh, okay. Okay. A whole ladder is making me struggle. Jump. Did that say? Caution. Spikes. Well, it could have said that earlier. Before I walk. Map creator is really having a laugh right now. He's laughing. He's laughing in his chair. He's watching us suffer. Swear to God, if I spend like 20 minutes on this, just doing this, I'm gonna set the next checkpoint. Okay. Good, we good, we good. Now where do we go? Do I have to kneel this? That is hard. I don't know why I didn't have shift lock on. Okay, okay, okay. Now where do I go? Down? No. Where? Huh? Oh. This was not. I'm resetting. I'm not going all the way back there. I just killed myself. Ooh. Dumb little duck. Swear to God, if you die one more time, I don't know what to do with you. I'm vegetarian, so. Ooh, okay. That Neo is. Map creator is really having a giggle right now. Well, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna duck and get you. I'm gonna duck and get you. See what I did there? Okay, it was funny in my head. Okay, okay, don't make fun of me. Sometimes my jokes aren't funny. They were never funny. Never mind. Okay, I'm not funny. Okay. Sometimes me saying negative stuff makes me help. I'm bad at the game. Oh, it worked! Yay! Did I beat the game? What do you mean? This is a perfect hole for me to fit through. It's like every game. Like, there's a door right there, but no, you have to do this whole puzzle to get to the. Oh, I just. You know what? The power of editing will magically get me there. Please. I'm believing in RNG. Okay, we have made it back to the cave. That's the power of editing and luck. And skill, I meant, that was not luck. It's all skill. No, every time sometimes my feather falls. Am I gonna be naked eventually? Why am I saying this? This is a Roblox game. Oh, yay, we're past here. We're supposed to go over there. I need my checkpoint. My goal 5 checkpoint. No, we're going to 3. We're getting 3 checkpoints, and I'm done with this game. If you guys want a part 2, 1 like. I'm just kidding. 3. If you get 3 likes, I'll do another part. Oh my god. It's one of these jumps. Good, we good. Ladder, please, checkpoint. Where is the checkpoint? I need my checkpoint. Did I miss it? No, wait. I'm not at 30 meters yet. Whoa. Yay! Woohoo! I did it. Take that, map creator. I beat your game. Well, not really. I didn't let my anger get to me. Didn't rage quit. Small accomplishments. Okay. Anyway, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna jump off into this void. It's gonna look cool. Trust me. Goodbye.